Today, I'm excited to introduce you to some incredibly unique, compact, and highly efficient homemade tractors. First, let's take a look at the multi-purpose soil tiller invented by a passionate creator. Based on a motorcycle engine, he cleverly combined various mechanical components to build a flexible machine that can move easily across different types of terrain. Initially, he used scrap metal and recycled parts to construct it. However, as he moved toward mass production, he improved the design using metalworking techniques to create a sturdier, more user-friendly frame. Most impressively, this machine can be equipped with multiple functional attachments, from plowing and soil tilling to water pumping and winching, enabling various agricultural tasks within a single device. Additionally, the design has been optimized to be cost-effective and easy to operate, even for those who have never ridden a motorcycle before. Next, we have an innovative lithium-powered soil tiller, crafted entirely from recycled materials such as an old wheel rim, 16mm steel rods, a used motor, and a repurposed e-bike battery. With basic welding skills and a bit of creativity, anyone can assemble this compact yet fully functional gardening machine, making soil preparation much easier than ever before. Moving on, a simple but highly practical idea is transforming a grass cutter into a handheld soil tiller. By attaching a small tilling tool to a standard grass cutter, you can instantly create a versatile device that not only removes weeds but also loosens the soil efficiently, saving both time and effort. have a multifunctional gardening machine, which is compact, easy to use, and cleverly built from readily available materials. This handy invention promises to be an excellent assistant for gardening enthusiasts.